Love you. I will never not love you.
I'm marrying your fucking brother, and I'm supposed to let you stand up there with him?
Hello! So, hindi ko masyadong nakapag-vlog today kasi maga yung mata ko kanina umaga. Tapos, nag-PE kami. Hindi ko na-film. Tapos, kahapon kasi I had a very rough day. Parang nagkaka-existential crisis ako, ganun. Tapos, ayun, kahapon talaga it was hard for me to even do anything. Kasi, kahit anong galaw ko, kahit anong isip ko, kahit anong gawa ko, naiiyak ako, hindi ko alam bakit. I think also, magkakaroon na rin ako. At the same time, I think it's my hormones. Pero yun, anyways. Medyo magapa rin yung mukha ko, I think. Hindi na masyado, pero oras na. Tara. Attend lang kami ng seminar ngayon. Tapos, nakuwi na. Update. I'm done with the cutting and the music, the transitions, pero hindi ko pa nalalagay yung mga subtitles and mga inserts ko. Another hour for that. Actually, it took me 2 hours to finish just that. So, medyo parang napapile up ko na yung mga, parang nafi-figure out ko na kung gaano ko katagal talaga mag-edit. And if I lock in, talagang 3 hours, 4 hours, tapos ko na talaga siya. Kasi, pag nag-edit ako, tuloy-tuloy talaga. So, it's already 6:46. And, kailangan ko mag-dinner. So, after ko mag-dinner, saka ako mag-aaral. And then, after ko mag-aaral, hopefully, is matapos ko tong vlog. I'm currently finishing this. September 7 and it's Sunday, so I'm church coming later. I'm currently watching my vlog. Alam mo, feel ko talaga kailangan ko na mag-Tagalog. Kasi, ewan ko parang nalilito ako sa English ko, pero at the same time sa English, pag nag-English ako, mas comfortable akong magsalita ng English in front of the cam. So, yan. Anyways, mga 4 ata kami aalis. I still have 2 hours or 1 hour. Kasi 2:49. No, 2:40 pa lang. So, yan. Nanood muna ako ng mga vlogs ko. Tapos, yan. By the way, nag-aral na ako kanina. So, a win for me. Okay, bye-bye. I'll see you guys later. Manifestation
tayo na maagang umuwi.
Yes, it's real. Teka lang. Mahulog kami guys. Wait lang. Uwi na kami! Kanina pa ako nagmamanifest na wala kaming pasok. Wala kaming klase. Pero buti na lang, half day. Ay, half day? Half class? Early dismissal. I will show you my haul, my 9 haul. Kasi why not? These are mesh, parang pang filter. Kasi I do ginger shots and I also make like apple juice, fresh apple juice. So, ang ginagawa ko usually is strainer, tapos ginagano ko ng fork. And I saw on TikTok na it's much easier to squeeze it from this. So, I will try. I bought 2 kasi yung turmeric sa lemon ginger shots ko is nagkukulay. It's a 0-calorie, sugar-free sweetener syrup. Ano siya? What do you call this again? It's like a cable. Talagay mo yung cable here. Yeah. I have to, kasi buy one take one siya. Lalagay ko yung sa table, tapos lalagay ko yung isa here, which is kung nasan yung mga cord ko talaga. Ay! Okay. Yeah, it's the whisk. Pero frother pala. I mean, this is only 44 pesos. May frother na ako noon, pero nasira siya. Ilang battery kailangan ito? Dalawang double A. This is the Maybelline Final Ink in the shade Intriguing. This is my favorite shade and I can attest to that. Every day ko talaga siya ginagamit because I prefer a soft, glossy lip than a matte. Actually, no, depende na lang. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Instructions. Oops. Finished the basta ito. And then we're gonna do this now. so fucking early, man. Ano? 5:40 siguro? Wala pa akong tulog. It's like foggy. So pretty. Sama ako sa tito ko. Sa tita ko and my dad. I need to be early kasi may exam ako ngayon and I fear na malilate ako pag hindi ako pumasok ng maaga. So, welcome. Hello!
5 pa lang.
5 na. Dito tayo? Saan pa tayo? Sama.
5 minutes.
Eh,
Time check.
time check 5:15. Uwi na rin po kami.
Wala na malakas.
Yeah. Ganun lang. Shadow ka.
So, bakit?
Ano ba ito? Pinay.
Wala pa kami doon.
Ay, we?
Baka real world yan.
Ano nga yun?
Calculus kami.
Saan pa?
Paras ba kayong ano?
Oo, ay kami dalawa. Ayun, di ba test yun?
Exam.
Oo nga, exam na.
Basta daw mo po.
May nag-film ng movie here, so.
Di ko siya kilala, sorry.
Nakalimutan ako mag-vlog, sorry. Mag-vlog this week, oh my god. Check. S pala yung ano. We're here. And it's Ata's birthday. This is how I am. I hope you can hear me. But anyways, we're eating as a family. Tapos bukas, we're gonna go to Alabang. So, another eventful day. Eventful weekend. So, may exam ako ng Monday and then also sa Wednesday. So, wala akong choice. We'll see you guys tomorrow. So, I got this new lashes. I usually use the purple one, pero I thought that this is also cute and I wanted to try it, so let's try it. Yeah, very nice, very nice. See, that's really nice actually. Yeah, I'm gonna know. Hey guys, hello. We're here at KKV and naghanap ako ng bibili. Note, kanina pa kami here sa festival, pero nakalimutan kong mag-vlog again. I'm sorry. And we're looking for something to buy. I'm looking for food. Kasi may nakita akong food noon. Sarap nito.
Bobalik tayo dito.
Snoopy! I'll buy this. I'll buy this. I'll buy this. Ganda ba yung ganito?
May ganito ka?
Kasi, I don't. Kasi yung akin, natatanggal na yung lashes ko.
I want ano tayo?
Wala lang, for the content. Where are they?
Diba Jennifer din?
Ano Jennifer?
Pagkagatawag ng Jennifer.
Where are they, guys? Wala na sila, I think. Diba, wala na sila dyan! Okay. Tara, ano pala sila? Okay, we found them. We found them. Kuya na.
Ubus na yung ano ko.
We're at Muji, guys. Bibili daw si Andre.
Ito na lang pala. Okay. Kukuha nito sa 7.
Good. Wait, ano si Ante? Bye. This one na lang ba? This one na lang. Uy, parang wala may shade. Ayun nga, hindi ko nga mahanap. Paano shade ba yan? 07. Show! Siya yung maraming nabili, hindi ako. By the way. We have the 2026 one, so I'm gonna buy one. Because mawawala na to for sure. I'm tired, guys. So. It rained. Nakapret mo dito. Finally, somewhere cool. You're going to where? Beyond the... Oh, yeah. Ito lang yung pangalan. Photo. Vintage. Yeah. Okay, anyways, naulan. So, bye. Hindi na umabot. My hair! It's fluffy.
Ano ba yung picture? Hello. Tara na, thank you.
Thank you. What's your order? Something.
Nothing.
What? Pistachio. Pistachio Dubai chocolate.
Thank you.